Hello world, Geriatric Geek here. How in the heck are you? I hope you're doing great. Welcome from North Las Vegas. That's right, we're having a little fun today. We're going to be showcasing something I just picked up 2 days ago. Yeah, the Goonies, as you've already seen in the description. The Goonies collectible gift set. Yeah, there you go. The Goonies. Yeah, this is rated PG. It's 114 minutes long. Let me show you what's going on here. There we go. The Goonies. It's 114 minutes long. 1985 this came out, you guys. 1980. The Goonies, not this. This is the 4K Ultra HD collectible gift set that I got from Amazon. And it is still available at Amazon if you're interested. And it's a limited, from what I understand, it's a limited. You can see there, the Goonies, the gift set. You can see I purchased it on the 18th. Today is the 20th of January 2022. And it's currently $29.99, and it previously was $49. So yeah, it's not going to be there forever. Evidently this is a limited offer, so get it while you can if you're interested. I will leave a link in the description below as to my affiliate link. If you want to use my affiliate link and pick it up, feel free. I'd appreciate that, actually. So this is the 4K, brand new. I haven't opened it yet. We're going to do that right now. There you go. So kind of interesting packaging. As you can see, it's kind of the treasure chest that the Goonie guys are looking for. Of course, the Goonies is a comedy adventure based on a story by Steven Spielberg. Of course, it was directed by Richard Donner, who also did Superman in, I believe, like 78 or whenever that was. Also did the Lethal Weapon. Here, I'll let you read. Well, what's that say? A decade-defining classic. From the imagination of Steven Spielberg and Chris Columbus, The Goonies follows a tight-knit group of young friends desperate to save their homes from a greedy real estate developer. After discovering a mysterious treasure map, they find themselves being chased by a family of fugitives through an underground realm full of twisting passages and booby traps. Their quest, to find the hidden gold of legendary pirate One-Eyed Willie. When all seems lost, the Goonies never say die in this beloved generation-crossing adventure. I really liked it back when it came out. I enjoyed it. It was actually the year my youngest son was born, 1985. All right, so let's crack into this. This is really cool packaging. Very cool packaging. Let you guys look at the special features there real quick. Commentary with hidden video treasures by director Richard Donner and select cast members. The Making of the Goonies featurette and Cyndi Lauper, The Goonies Are Good Enough. Music video, outtakes, and theatrical trailer. Of course, yes, like I said, this is the 4K version. Very excited to check it out in 4K. So let me know if you guys enjoyed the Goonies, if you've seen it. It's been a very long time since I've seen it. Probably at least 20 years. I do have it in my collection on VHS and DVD. So once you take the paper off, you open up the box. Oh, it's got a J card on it, apparently. I feel it. That's what you're gonna see. See what's in there. That's okay. So there's the 4K, the Goonies, that, and then something else in here. A couple somethings. Okay, we're empty. Very cool box. Put this over here. So yeah, we have on the inside the Goonies patch. Alright, and then it has some collectible buttons. Goonies never say die. The Goonies, do the truffle shuffle, and hey you guys, and the Goonies. 5. This item is not a toy. Cool. And I believe this is the map, or, you know, facsimile thereof. A little ASMR there for you. Package opening. Yes. It's the map. There's the map. Where's the treasure? That's the map. Very cool. Of course, the Goonies starred Sean Austin, Josh Brolin, Jeff Cohen, as I remember, and also Corey Feldman. He played the mouth. What's on the, is there something on the back of this? Let me see. Oh, just the musical notes. That's pretty cool. Nice little collectible set. But here's why we're here. It's 4K Ultra HD, the Goonies. Let's open this up. And there is a digital code, which I am going to give away to one of my subscribers. There's on the left there is the Blu-ray, on the right is the 4K. No artwork, just plain Jane discs. Very cool. And the package is, you know, heavy-duty packaging. At least it's not an eco pack. There you go, guys. We got the Goonies. So, if you're interested in the digital code for this, in the let me hold on just a second. In the description, or in your comment down below, leave a comment saying Goonies. Yeah, you're just going to use the word Goonies, Goonies, and in 5 days from now, today being Thursday, let's go Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of next week, I will pick the winner. But you have to be a subscriber, and you have to, I guess you have to, I misstated last time that I was, you know, you could be anywhere to get the code, but that's not true. Evidently you can't redeem codes if you live outside the country. If that's different, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that is so cool. Very cool. So like I said, you can pick it up yourself. If you're interested, I'll have an affiliate link in the description. There's all the fellas. Girl and young lady there. So there you go. Quick unboxing. This is such a neat little box, and it's very inexpensive right now. So if you want it, get out there and get it, and I'll give you guys a chance at this code. I don't need the digital code. I've got it in 4K on physical media. So anyway, that's it, you guys. If you like these little videos and unboxings, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And hit that notification bell also so you know when I put up another one, which will probably be tomorrow. Anyway, hey guys, thanks for so much for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Enter the giveaway if you're interested. And that's it from North Las Vegas. You guys keep smiling, keep having fun, keep that positive attitude about you. Until next time, peace.